We are currently living through the most significant redistribution of economic power since the Industrial Revolution. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, nearly 92 million jobs will be displaced by AI, but 170 million new roles will be created in their place. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in the scarcity of human expertise. In 2026, the digital economy is splitting. If you are positioned inside the automation zone, you are competing in a market with a floor that is falling. But if you position yourself above it, you gain a level of leverage that was previously reserved for elite CEOs. Today, we are analyzing the structural collapse of repetitive roles and the birth of the integration era. For decades, the white-collar middle class was built on cognitive repetition. Drafting reports, writing boilerplate code, basic data sorting. Goldman Sachs recently estimated that generative AI could automate up to 30% of hours worked across the US and Eurozone. These tasks have officially become a commodity. Nowhere is this more visible than in software engineering. Stanford's Digital Economy Lab recently found a staggering 67% decrease in entry-level tech job postings compared to 2023. The old deal of hiring juniors to do grunt work is dying. As Gartner reports, by 2026, organizations will use AI to flatten their structures, automating the scheduling and reporting that once occupied middle management. The result? The stepping stone jobs are being automated out of existence, leaving a generation of talent with nowhere to start. So, where is the wealth moving? It's moving towards system orchestration. In the integration era, we don't need doers, we need architects. First, the AI workflow architect. As businesses rush to adopt AI, they are hitting a complexity wall. Forrester predicts that while AI will augment 20% of jobs, many firms will struggle to replace human talent prematurely. The new elite role is the specialist who can design end-to-end autonomous workflows, turning a fragmented Frankenstein stack into a streamlined, automated cycle. Second, AI governance and auditing. This is the digital guardian. As AI takes over decision-making, the risk of model drift and algorithmic bias becomes a multi-million-dollar liability. Global demand for AI ethics auditors is surging as companies realize that the machines still need humans to stay within the lines of the law. Notice the shift. AI is compressing the middle and expanding the top. The labor market is polarizing into two camps: low creativity plus high repetition, which is a race to zero, and high judgment plus system thinking, which is an explosion of wealth. In 2026, your experience matters less than your AI fluency. LinkedIn data shows that the demand for AI literacy skills increased by 70% in just the last year. Why? Because the veteran who refuses to adapt is a 1x producer, while the AI operator is a 10x force multiplier. The real question is no longer, will AI replace me? The question is, can I strategize faster than the AI can execute? If you are still focused on doing the work, you are vulnerable. If you focus on owning the workflow, you are the future. If you want to master the 2026 economy and position yourself above the automation line, subscribe to Next Gen Wealth Insights. We don't do hype here, we do strategy. I'll see you in the next one.